Tool lots. Reliable equipment. Fast.
Hi, today we're going to be talking about Toolot's Mini 3D printer, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install the setup. So we have the power supply here, and it simply plugs in. It's a 12-volt base system. The Mini 3D printer has a triple axis head in the X, Y, and Z direction. Here we have a removable print stage that is easily inserted into the printing area. So once that is properly installed, we can now insert the mini USB card that comes with the printer into the mini USB slot, and then it's simply turned on. And once the device is turned on, we wait about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes for the print head to warm up. And the material that's being used for this printer is a plastic PLA filament. So the set also comes with a glue stick that acts as a release agent for the print setup. So you apply the glue to the stage and it allows the part to be released from the stage. And we give the printer a few seconds to warm up, and on the screen it will indicate whether or not the printer is ready to print, and this just lets you know that the print head is at the correct temperature. So we see that printer is ready, so we go ahead and press down on the push knob, and we're going to be printing from the mini SD card. So we press down again to select, and we're going to select print file, and there's around 30 different parts that you can print from that are preloaded on the SD card. And today we will print out the phone stand. So we go ahead and press down to select the phone stand, and now the head is going to adjust and locate the print platform and begin printing. So now it's going to be about an hour long for the print to take place. So we'll go ahead and let this video film and play through, and we'll show you the final part when it's all done. Alright, now we will check out our part. So we'll remove the bottom plate, and there we go. It pops off nice and easy, and we can place our phone holder like that. There's your iPhone holder. Break away any of the loose sediment. And there you go.